Video we are going to learn how to draw cumulative frequency curve or ogive. There are two types of ogive. One is less than, other one is more than. Any one graph can come in your exam. Draw less than ogive graph for the following data. Marks are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And number of students are given. Now these are the ordinary frequency distribution table. So to draw less than ogive, we must draw less than cumulative frequency table. Here we should write marks, number of students, and it is cumulative frequency. Now marks, when we write here, less than 10, less than the upper limit, because less than 0, no marks here. So less than 10. Here less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, and less than 60. Now here less than 10, we have 0 to 10, that is 3. Less than 20, even these 3 children also got less than 20. So it is 3 plus 9, and that is equal to 12. Less than 30, even these 3 plus 9 children got less than 30. So that is already we added here. So 12 plus 15, we are getting 27. Less than 40, all this together, that is still here 27 plus 30. We are getting 57. 57 plus 18 for less than 50. We are getting 75. And last one is 75 plus 5, that is equal to 80. Now which points to plot? It is always upper limit plus the cumulative frequency. Here points to plot. It is 10, 3, 20 and 12, 30, 27, 40 and 57, 50, 75, 60 and 80. Now we are going to draw the graph of this. I copied that values, whatever we wanted to plot over here. Here first column what is given is upper limits, and second column it is cumulative frequency. We have to take upper limits in x-axis, that is marks, and in y-axis we are taking cumulative frequency, that is number of students. So here I'll take the units as same values we are going to write here, 10, 20, 30. Here also I'll take it as units as 10 units only, 10, 20. And the units are in x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, and in y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Now we are going to plot the graph 10, 3, 10 in x-axis, here it is, 3 is here, this is the point, 10, 3, 20, 12, it will come here, 20 is here, just 2 lines above, 20, 12. Third one is 30 and 27. It will come here. 40 and 57. 50 and 75. 60 and 80. Now this is a free-handed graph. We want to join it. And this is less than ogive. Now one note for you, in exam if they give cumulative frequency table directly, Directly we are going to draw the graph. Ordinary frequency is given. We have to convert into less than cumulative frequency. Then we want to draw the graph. Now we are coming to the second sum. Draw more than ogive graph for the following data. Marks are given and the number of students are given. And again, this is ordinary frequency distribution table. So we want to convert this into more than cumulative frequency. When we write more than cumulative frequency, we start from the lower limit because 50 is the lower limit here, and that is the score which is included in 50 to 55. So we write here more than or equal to 50. Next one will come more than or equal to 55, more than or equal to 60, more than or equal to 65, more than or equal to 70, more than or equal to 75. Now, to write the cumulative frequency here, all this more than or equal to 50, all these students got more than or equal to 50. Total there is 100. So all the 100 students got more than or equal to 50. Now more than or equal to 55, these two students are not included in this. So it is 100 minus 2, we are getting 98. Now more than or equal to 60, these 10 students are not included in this. Already 2 is subtracted. So I'll subtract here 8 from 98. So we will get here 90. Similarly now 90 minus 12, we are getting 78. 78 minus 24, that is 54. And 54 minus 38, we will get 16, and that is the last number only should get 75 to 80, more than or equal to 75, 16, that number must be the same. Now which points to plot? 50, 100, that is lower limit and cumulative frequency. 55, 98, 60 and 90, 65, 78, 70 and 54, 75 and 16. Now we want to plot the graph of this. Sometimes in examination directly they will give more than or less than cumulative frequency distribution table. Then directly you have to draw the graph by plotting the points. Now we are going to plot the graph of this. X-axis, you should draw x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis we have the marks and they are the lower limits, and y-axis we have number of students, that is the cumulative frequency. Now we'll start to write here the same points here. In x-axis 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. And now y-axis, we can take 10, 20 because till 100 we have 10, 20, 30. We'll write the scale. X-axis, we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Now we are going to plot this 50, 100. It will come here. $55 and 98. $60 and 90. $65 and 78. $70 and 54. $75 and 16. Again, this is a free-handed graph. We want to join this. And this is more than ogive.